Hi there, it's Rachelle from Artful Leadership, representing the Claire Rose Center for CYD, and I'm so excited that you want to learn more about this year-long community learning series that we are launching in February. So what is this learning series and how is it going to work? So together we will be exploring some essential questions around the individual, interpersonal, and organizational health and wellness that is going to empower us to really live into our values and live out our mission sustainably in creative youth development. Now, we understand that in our field, there are different subgroups of folks who have different and unique challenges and circumstances that are specific to their role and their work. So we've divided the year into 3 seasons. And in the first season, we'll be looking at thriving leaders. What is it that decision makers and leaders who are in charge of people and processes and projects to really flourish in our field, and what are the systemic changes that we need to make to set them up for success? In the second season, we'll really be looking at thriving youth and communities. And in this season, we'll be collaborating with a team of youth leaders to really explore the questions of healing and thriving that are up for young people and those who are serving them right now. And in the third season, we will be looking at what does it take to build a thriving workforce in creative youth development? What do teaching artists and support staff and youth who are interested in careers in CYD, what do they need in order to do this work successfully and sustainably and really flourish? So I promised you that these would not be your typical wellness webinars, and I'll tell you a little bit about what I mean. So we are going to be offering a really community-based exploration and a very embodied experience. So we will be doing somatic grounding practices because we're artists. We'll be doing artistic reflection and journaling and contemplative practices. We'll be going into breakout groups and doing brainstorms. We'll be joining panel discussions from folks who are leading bravely in our field and moving the needle on these things. And we'll also be in conversation throughout the whole series with funders and decision makers and philanthropists who really want to help us move the needle on these systems. And so if that interests you, we really want to invite you also to join our learning community that will be offered virtually through Mighty Networks, where you'll be able to connect with other practitioners in the field, keep the conversations going, provide accountability and support and implementation support while you try on these different practices. You can share podcasts, videos, all the things. So you can also jump into one session, purchase a whole season, or stick with us for the whole year and make a really big commitment to making a paradigm shift. This is so important. Come join us in changing the way things are done in our field. We can't wait to center healing and thriving in CYD with you.